Hi everyone, welcome to Travel School. So today our topic of discussion is Introduction to Tourism. So we would start with knowing the origin of the terms tour, tourism and travel and how it came into existence and how they evolved. It is usually believed that the word tour in the context of tourism became established in the English language by somewhere around the 18th century. On the other hand, the Oxford Dictionary has come up with the word that tourism first came in the 19th century around 1811 from a Greek word tournos, meaning a round shaped tool. And then E. Fuller defined tourism in the modern sense of the word. So he defines it as a phenomena of modern times based on the increased need for recuperation and change of air, the awakened and cultivated appreciation of scenic beauty, the pleasure in and also the enjoyment of nature, and in particularly brought about by the increasing mingling of various nations and classes of human society as a result of the development of commerce, industry and trade, and the perfection of the means of transport. Later on in 1942, we get another definition which says the sum total of phenomena and relationship arising from travel and stay of non-residents insofar as they do not lead to permanent residence and are not connected with any earning activities. And then we got another definition from ISET and the Tourism Society of Cardiff in the year 1981, which says that tourism may be defined in terms of particular activities selected by tourists and undertaken outside the home environment. Tourism may or may not involve overnight stay that is away from the home. So as we can see that along with passing years, the definition of tourism has been changing. And then UNWTO has given a modern definition of tourism. Thus, if you notice, then we come across the developments in the meaning of tourism, its purposes, and also the way of travel. The notion that has come up has led to a different form of tourism and how it has evolved. The major characteristics that we can find out from these definitions that we have just learned, that it started as a result of mere economic development along with the means of transportation getting better maybe. And then also we all know that human beings have always had the tendency to know the unknown that drove the initial stages of travel. And later on in the modern times, we see that it is more of a leisure time rather than just we are going to a destination just to admire the scenic beauty of it. So here we get a clear idea that how the transformation has taken place. And thus with this, we come to an end of the introduction session of tourism. And with the same, it leads us to the next topic, which would be history of tourism. And we are going to address it in our next video and learn about the different time that tourism has passed through. So do let me know in the comments below if you have any suggestions or questions. If you like the content, do let me know by a like or subscribe so that we go deeper into the tourism theory, which I know is not that glamorous because it's not so much of a fun fact that we are not traveling in the streets of Spain or going to Italy, but at least this will help to be a part of the industry soon, and maybe someday, maybe of course, we can just roam around the world in different parts of the world. So thank you very much for watching. Bye.